Good day, sixth graders. Today's the big day. We take our 50 states quiz. And as I'm going through this right now, I'd like it if the teachers could hand out the paper copy of the quiz. Each of you will receive a paper copy. Be sure to put your name on it, as well as your advisory teachers, so I can get it back to you when I'm done. I was going to do electronic version, but this is probably the best way for you guys, so we're going to try it this way. So the first thing I'll show you is what your quiz looks like. Okay, so sitting on your desk in front of you, it looks like this. You can see that I have a total that's worth 50 points. And I've already made a couple marks on your quiz/test for you. Now, ideally, this will take you 15 minutes. But if you need longer than that, that is perfectly okay. You can go out into the hallway, or your classroom should be pretty quiet today because it's going to be an independent learning day. In any event, you've noticed, I hope, that on the right-hand side of your paper are all the 50 states. Spelled out correctly. It's a miracle. And then next to them is the two-letter postal abbreviation for each of the states. Alabama is a capital AL, Alaska a capital AK. This is very important because when you label on your map, please be sure that the letters are capital letters. Now, I've gone ahead and done two of them for you, so this is what it'll look like for you. I've gone and labeled Alaska, AK, and Hawaii, HI. Now, I've given you 2 points. You've got 48 left to go. I even took the time to put a little star on this map. Hint, hint. This star has something to do with where you're sitting right now. So that should be another giant hint for that state. But go ahead and slowly and carefully go through here. I would suggest ticking these off as you use them so that you don't accidentally use it twice if you're a little bit unsure. And of course, for the eastern part of the United States, where the states are so teeny tiny, there are these lead-in lines, as I would call them. And the lines point exactly to where you need to go. So just put the abbreviation on the flat part of the line up there. Okay. If you have any questions about the labeling part, you can ask your teacher. But other than that, you should be good to go on this. When you're done, give it to your teacher. They'll collect it. I'll get it from them. Then, once you're done with that, it's really quite simple. If you see in your classwork for today, I've got 3 things for you to do. Of course, the 50 states quiz. Then you're going to read an article that I created about the Ojibwe migration. Migration means traveling again from place to place, or movement from place to place. So you'll read that, and go ahead and feel free to use the Google Read and Write with that. For some of you, plug in, listen to the story. The final thing you're going to do is complete this Ed puzzle. This person has created a video about the Ojibwe migration with 6 questions. Go ahead, complete that, submit it, and then you are done for the day. I hope you have a great break. Get outside, enjoy the weather, and we'll see you again on Monday.